That part is in the plumbing department. And on my, you mentioned your name and then
Plan agency, welding department.
Thank you very much.
I think another welding department.
Thank you.
Coffee Facility, Accounts Department.
Kochenda, electrical department.
Machine. I will start the world.
All right, thank you very much. And then
Actuation, welding department. The do at the electrical department.
all right. Thank you very much. And then I've already introduced Mr. Amfa Donko to you, and you already know him. I am also Joshua Donko with the plumbing department. Thank you very much. At this moment, I would like to call on the center manager to introduce the dignitaries we have in our midst. We have invited special dignitaries in the community in our midst, and they must be introduced so that you must know them whilst you are here within the period that you will be here. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. MC. We actually were to do this exercise at the end of January. But I believe you are all aware why we could not do it at the end of January. We decided that today being this is as a landmark to actually orientate you into our community. So if we are doing this exercise today, it is for your orientation. We invited several dignitaries. Our political head of the community, the municipal chief executive, the national assignment somewhere in the crime. Very soon, somebody will join us. On my immediate left, you've seen when we talk about our community policing, he is the boss. And he is DSP Martin Asamoah. He is leading to Ghana and how we can function ourselves in Ghana without running into problems with them. Is our immigration commander. He is Deputy Superintendent of Immigration, I believe
Our own.
you know your own. So I may not be able to call his name properly. So, but you know him, he is representing the Nigerian government on your behalf as far as this exercise is concerned. Now, Mr. Nas represents our educational sector, our educational sector in charge of technical vocational education and training. So whatever activities you are doing here, he is liaising with us and tutor. We also have Mr. P.K. Quick. Last but not least, Mr. James Mwachi. Don't be too for long. He's also Nyani Gansa. He's an intern student from our University of Education. And on behalf of Univer Vocational School Center, welcome you from Nigeria to our training program. Indeed, you arrived in Ghana on the 28th. If my memory serves me well, in January. We planned our orientation for the 31st of January because of technical problems, it couldn't come off. However, your training has begun in earnest. And my observation initially was that we were having packets of differences. But as time went on, you have received the message, and I have seen that you are really working hard to acquire the skills that you were brought here to acquire. Now, this exercise has not been the only one that we are trying out at the center. We have run several programs for people like you. And I would like